moving away from that and we're getting into the international waters where we have Grammy-winning South African composer Lebohang, Lebo M, Morake, widely known for his work on the Lion King's iconic opening chant in Circle of Life, has filed a multi-million-dollar lawsuit against comedian Learnmore Jonasi, accusing him of misrepresenting the meaning of the song in a viral podcast clip. Now, if you've not seen the video of when the comedian actually told the world the meaning of the song, here's a video to that.
You said, what I do, Papa? You made up.
You should see me when I do it in front of white people. Oh my God! Why you look? Oh my God!
Hold on. Can you do that one more time?
Do that again.
What does it mean?
It means, look, there's a lion. Oh my God!
You're joking. That is not what that means. That is not what that means.
That's exactly what it means.
That's what
It means, look, there's a lion.
Oh my God! It's a
Look, there's a lion. Oh my God.
It's a lion.
This whole time, I thought it was like this beautiful, majestic.
Look here, there's a bull lion.
It's a lion.
Can you believe that? No, we can't. They gonna fall for this bush.
Now he's seeking up to $27 million in damages and saying that the comedian has actually watered down the value of the song. Let's see how it goes. Obviously, I'll be here to give you updates.